Hello Mama and welcome to your prenatal yoga flow. This is a quick one, so we are going to get started right away. Please listen to your body, take breaks as you need or grab some water when you need. Just pause the video and then you continue. Just do it at the pace that is best for you. Okay, we're going to get started standing on the top of the mat. Stand tall, close your eyes for a second. You can stand with your toes together or you can stand with your legs wide, whatever is best for you at this point in pregnancy. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, shoulders up. Breathe out, shoulders down. Breathe in, shoulders up. Breathe out, shoulders down. One last time, breathe in, shoulders up. Breathe in, shoulders down. Now breathe in, take your arms all the way up. Breathe out, fold forward. Stay here for a few breaths. You can take opposite elbows and sway side to side, or you can stay still. Waking up the back body, the hamstrings. Then come to flat back position. Take your hands to your shins. Flatten your back. Look to the ground, shoulders back. And breathe out, hands to the mat, come to all fours. Going to take a few cat-cows here. Breathe in, drop the belly slightly. Look up, close the space between your shoulder blades. Breathe out, create space between the shoulder blades. Tuck your tailbone, look to your baby. Breathe out. Breathe in, slide, back bend. No space between your shoulder blades, look up. Tailbone comes up. Breathe out, arch the back. Upward, look to your baby. One more time. Breathe in. Cow pose. Look up. Breathe out, cat pose. Lovely. Now come back to neutral. Tuck your toes. And come to downward facing dog with me if that feels good. Otherwise, just stay on your heels or take a child's pose. If you're in down dog, pedal it out. One heel to the mat, and the other. Come to stillness, bend the knees generously, look forward, and just take your right foot outside your right hand. If it doesn't get there in one step, no worries, just grab it and take it there. So we're in a lunge here. Take your left knee down, untuck the toes, and sway side to side. Open the hip, you can even open the knee a bit, come to the knife edge of your right foot. Then tuck your back toes, lift the knee, swing backwards a bit, so take your hips back, and then take your left foot outside your left hand. So we land in a Malasana squat. Amazing. Breathe here, push into your knees at your elbows. And take your hands back to the mat. Weight in the left, And take your right leg back. And now we're on a lunge on the right. Take your right knee down. And do your little sway again. Come to the knife edge of your left foot if that feels good. Tuck the back toes. Take your knee off the mat. And again, hips back and land in Malasana. Right foot outside your right hand. And then take your hands to heart center. Push out on your knees. Breathe here. And this time, come up slowly all the way to standing as you breathe in. And release the hands as you breathe out. Heel toe back in a little. Close your eyes, one big breath in. And one breath out. Breathe in, this time take a big step back with your right foot. And place your heel down. We come to a warrior one. Take your hands all the way up. Upper arms by the ears. This stance doesn't have to be very big, very wide, very long. I do recommend you to not be on the same track, so look at your feet and see, traditionally our back foot and our front heel are in line. In pregnancy, I encourage you to widen the stance for some extra stability. As you breathe in, take your elbows wide, look up, breathe in. As you breathe out, back to warrior one. Look up, breathe in, elbows wide, and back to warrior one. One more time, look up, breathe in, elbows wide, and up. On your next inhale, straighten both legs. And as you exhale, bend in the front knee again. Breathe in, straighten. Breathe out, calm into the front knee. Do this in your own rhythm a few times. Take your arms down, come to the front of the mat with both feet, shake it out. And now take your left foot back. Left heel comes to the mat. Take that slightly wider stance and arms come up, upper arms by the ears, look forward. Land in your warrior one on the other side. Breathe. And as you breathe in, take the elbows wide, look up. Breathe out, back. Elbows wide, look up. Breathe out, back. Elbows wide, look up, slightly arch the back. And back. Last time. And back. Now you know what's coming. As you breathe in, straighten that front leg. And bend again as you breathe out. Straighten. And bend shoulders away from the ears. Push into the knife edge of that back leg as you move through your front knee. Lovely. Come back to your warrior one. Take your arms down and step it back to the front of your mat. Close your eyes. Take one big deep breath in and a breath out. Now we are going to come with our right foot to the back of the mat again, so take a really big step back. And this time open into warrior two. So your torso comes facing the long edge of the mat. Your right heel is down again. Your left knee has a bend in it. Doesn't matter how big. And take your arms wide. Look over your front hand into the distance or into the wall in my case. And breathe here. Hug onto baby, shoulders away from the ears. And again, we are going to create a few mini flows. So as you breathe in, take your back hand to your back thigh. Front palm faces up. And we guide it all the way to the ceiling and back. As you breathe in, come back to warrior two. And breathe out. Exalted warrior is the name of this one. Breathe in, come back. Breathe out. Exalted warrior. This creates tons of space in the side body, which often gets compressed with the big belly getting in the way. Even if you're in the beginning of pregnancy, breathing can be hard because of all the extra blood we're making. So this really helps. Creating that space between the ribs so you can breathe better, deeper. One more time. Lovely. We're going to do a second flow. So as you breathe in, take your front elbow to your front knee. And this time the right comes up and over, the right arm comes up and over. And then come back up as you breathe out. Breathe in down. Breathe out up. Continue in your own rhythm, following your breath. One more. Lovely, take a big step back to the front of your mat. Close your eyes, breathe in. And breathe out, drop the shoulders. Big step back with your left foot. Come to warrior two on the other side. So bend in the front knee, knife edge of the left foot onto the mat, torso to the long edge of the mat, and arms come wide. Look over your right hand. Shoulders away from the ears, hug onto baby. The pelvis is tucked in slightly. Breathe here. When you're ready, we start our flow. The first one, so the back hand comes on the back thigh, right palm comes up and over with the arm. You can look to your right palm and back. Do that a few times following your breath. And these tiny practices No matter how short, can shift your day. Make your body feel just that little bit better. One more time. Lovely, breathe here in warrior 2. And when you're ready, take your elbow to your front knee for the second flow. Left arm this time comes all the way up and over. And going back to warrior 2. Repeat that a few times with your own breath. Starting to feel the legs. It's all good, breathe through it. Embrace the shakes. If it gets too much, take a break. Okay, come back to warrior 2. And then come to the front of the mat, take a big step. Close your eyes, breathe in. Shoulders to the ears. And breathe out. Let's do that again. And breathe out. So great, that was your mini flow already. You can follow this up with another mini flow, or you can call it a day and congratulate yourself for taking time for yourself today to move your body, to reset your mind, your energy, whatever this is for you. And do check out any other videos I have on my channel. I have loads of yoga, Pilates, weighted or body weight workouts. So yeah, please comment below how your pregnancy is going, what week you're in, how you're feeling, and what your requests are, because I want to be here for you. So any requests you have, please do let me know, and have a lovely day. Ciao!